Wtorek czy Tuesday, Mela?
It says Tuesday.
Tam wtorek?
It would be nice to find those Tuesday, huh? Słucham, what's up? Help. You can get up from there, Missy.
Gdzie jest córka?
Right here.
Okej.
Olo, what you doing?
A, ładnie. Tuesday. I hate the Tuesday.
You do?
The terminal. Tom Hanks.
Oh.
You haven't seen the terminal?
Hold on. Trzymaj się, trzymaj się. I got you.
Do it again. Jeszcze raz, Ulu.
Więcej? More? Okay, do it. Skórka. Okay? Skórka.
That was a good cat.
Now she's having fun.
That was a good cat, actually.
Okay,
Who
Napa.
wants to hang? Can you help me do this? Okay, let's
One
go.
time, okay? Because my back is hurting. Okay,
Anna,
come on.
do you want to... Don't ask anybody.
Okay, you can jump. It's lower than from there. Jump, jump, jump.
I can't.
Why not? It's lower than
Crisscross to make you jump.
Jump. I'm. See? You can do it now.
Oh, she's covering up the dirt. The wrapper.
Oj, Julka, Julka.
Jak wczoraj robimy.
Tak, porządek, posprzątaj, bo tu jest tak jak.
Kopa, Ulu, kopa.
Ela, dziewczynki już jadą. Musisz buty założyć.
I'm done here, boo.
We're going?
Musisz pragijącą.
Are you going?
A, wariatkę. Round and around and around they go. Ciao, Ulu. Anka wariatka. Joyce, no, proszę, uważaj. 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 A i stąd ładnie.
Uważaj, bo to są piratki drogowe. Piraci.
Hi, Julia. Hi, Julia.
Donatku, uważaj.
Ale zawsze ona stoi na pół droga.
Ósemki, do eight! Do eight! Julka, nie
Dobra, Dzigus. Oh, nice stopping, Dzigus.
Okay, show me how you lean. Pokaż jak to. You okay?
Jak zawsze.
It's okay. What did you hit?
Czy ono nie płakać? Dzień nie będzie dzień. Are you going to the goal? She's going, and we scored her goal! Oh, you're gonna block the goal? Joyce, go like this. Ulu, tano. No ci do góry, Ulu. Gdzie idziesz? Cześć tam, Ulu.
Zobacz.
Aha, wariat. Chodź tu. O, Joyce, gdzie? Co ty robisz? Beep, beep. Are you backing up? Joyce, no, wystawaj proszę. A nie, spokojnie. Idź tam, Dzigus. Zrób 8. Pokaż 8. Or how you lean. I zrób 8. Dobra, Dzigus. Bardzo dobrze.